net also not supporting me properly. I don't know why. Actually, I have to backup nets also, Geo and broadband.
If a danger that is completely invisible.
The COVID is making us very upset.
The first part of the application is to get a phase 3 trial going. Okay? And so we filed for that application. BCGI's office is looking at the application. We had a meeting last week. And what they asked us was to make certain amendments to the protocol. And
Today I started the market at 10 o'clock, Amir.
those amendments to the protocol.
10 o'clock itself, I think 10 to 10, 9:50, 9:45. And meanwhile, I started the market. As of now, time is 11:30.
The Merck is expecting to file a product later in the year. And I mean, considering the price,
Still, I am getting as of now 4 points only.
vaccination rollout,
I placed 200, 2000 quantity, but 8K means 4 points and
a critical mass. We believe this is a breakthrough therapy. We should approve this product ahead of time on a critical trial mode. Because this, in my view, is a game changer. Because we're going to start dosing patients as soon as they're COVID positive. There's a good chance.
yeah, because of corona only, because of the global COVID only affected the market, not only in India, entire global markets affected by the COVID.
The risk, even if this wave that we're seeing can.
But not like last year.
But again, it has a way of coming back, and we're not sure if there's another nasty mutation with any of the vaccines work. Okay, so that's, I mean, a pharma roundup. We're up 64 points, right? We're down 64
How
points
much
right
you
now,
have to-
14,567 off the lows.
Actually, my target is 15 points. Yeah, once 15 points reached, actually, I need to close. But due to this corona pandemic, for last 2 3 weeks onwards, I'm not waiting up to 15 points. Still Nifty 66 points and minus Sensex also is in negative. Yeah, I squared off all my positions with 5 to 7 points only. I can't wait up to 15 points. My 15 points is my target, but I can't wait up to that point because of you can't predict the market. So that I told you already with small profits, better to square off.
सबसे reliable broadband, Jio Fiber.
Yeah, yesterday already I told you that today if anyone interested, go with ONGC at the selling side. I don't know how many people placing on ONGC. If anyone placing on ONGC, you will get better profit today. Otherwise, it's okay, no problem.
Leisure travel demand get postponed as passengers focus on essential travel. Hotels starting to get back to normal. It's a day with the same problems. Restrictions.
Bearing witness to history as it unfolds.
And lockdown-led restrictions also fear and uncertainty over employment and their livelihood.
And explaining not just what happened, but what the news means to you. CNBC TV 18.
Actually, I placed 15. I took 15 positions. Out of 15 positions, only 3 positions executed. Independent Power Grid ONGC. Then how can we wait up to 15 points target? At least 7 to 8 companies executed out of 15 to 17 companies. Then we can wait up to 15, that 15 targets. Yeah, I just want to refresh the time and date again. As of now, time is 11:30, Monday, May 3rd. Time is 11:30. Some people asking me still why you are showing timeanddate.com. Because timeanddate.com, all global people are following that that it's a live. Here also I can show the Nifty and Sensex rate. There also you can watch the time.
Halftime report on
Yeah,
CNBC.
here you can see
Let's
the
get talking
Nifty
about
below
the
May 3rd,
Fed. Today
2021,
afternoon, Union Bank has
11:30.
done and reacted very
In
handsomely
below
on
Sensex
Monday,
also you can
posting
see
numbers
May
upwards
3rd,
around
2021, time
11%.
11:30.
Well, this
Nifty
quarter
is
looking
in
good
negative
also
83
the
points.
higher and
Sensex
we are
is
higher than
more than
even the
300 points negative.
pre-COVID levels. But the
Here you
AUM
can see
remains steady
my
as the
client ID.
traditional growth has
This is my
remained
Sharekhan
steady.
account.
We have
Today
Vice
I place
President
only in
Head
Sharekhan.
Revenue of the company who joins in now. Mr. Chakrabarti, hi. Thanks very
Out
much
of
for joining
15
in.
companies,
I just wanted
only
to
three
start with your
positions executed.
independent
Yeah,
brokerage
I
firm.
think
Up
I
around
nearly I reached to 5 points, right?
4% on a Q-on-Q basis.
2005. Yeah, I
Would
reached
you
to
tell
5
us the
points.
rationing behind it?
At least 10 points you need to get today at least. 10 points means 2000 into 10, 20 catches I need to get, because if every day we can't assume that how the market is going on. See, don't already a lot of times I'm telling you, don't be greedy and don't expect too much profit in these days, because getting small profits also great as of now, as per the these circumstances. Getting small profits also very good. So better quit with the small profits. Don't be greedy too much. Actually, my better suggestion is, instead of trading, better to avoid in this. Already previously I told one thing. Instead of avoiding play with a small quantity, do trade. But as of now, present circumstances, I can say one thing in vice versa. Instead of doing trading, better to avoid. At least this May, up to this May ending, avoid the trading. Otherwise, if you don't want to avoid the trading, then better to quit with small profits.
No, I just wanted to actually expand on that point, Mr.
ONGC,
Chakrabarti.
yeah, once
In the
ONGC
last
gives you 4 points,
quarter, you
then
had
close
mentioned
it.
that you're cautiously
Yeah,
optimistic
once
on the
ONGC
SIP
gives you the
portfolio.
four points,
How
then
have things
scare
panned
off it.
out from last quarter to now in terms of, say, asset quality trends? And like Prashant
Already it
mentioned,
is
what
near
are the
to
latest trends you're
above 3 points.
witnessing on
More than
MSCI? If you had
4.6
to
may not give
describe
you.
it, what would you describe it as compared to cautiously optimistic?
Yes, still we are at to 5 points. 2000 quantity appraised. 2000 into 5, 10k profit means 5 points. Yes, yes. Yeah, here you know what happened if you take the position on the power grid as of now, already it reaches to the 2 points. So better don't go at the buying side. Yeah, avoid it. Yeah, actually you should have taken the position on power grid when I had told you, but you didn't take the position on that power grid. Yeah, still Nifty in above 80 points, minus still Sensex also above 330 points. Yeah, that's what I am telling Gopal. We can't predict the market. However, we are expecting in that way market is not going way. So better avoid the market up to these circumstances existed. So we can't assume that. And meanwhile, again, one thing what happened today in the market yesterday in 5 states, the election results also came, so that one also main important to us.
Okay, so
Yeah,
there's
that
been a decline in
Sikkim.
terms of disbursements in the month
uh, Bengal result is very most affected on market because of in Bengal BJP, it's got defeated. That much affected not actually yesterday I thought today market is definitely will be raising already yesterday near to 900 points down, so tomorrow market definitely will be raised like that I thought yesterday, but due to that yesterday's election result, so it's happened like that. Still Nifty more than 90 points negative, and Sensex more than 380 point in negative. Yeah, this is all happened. I think in I think there are two reasons. One is Corona pandemic, and second is yesterday's election result. But I don't think so that yesterday Corona pandemic that it's not affected more because market is stable due to the Corona. But yesterday result I think it may affect. I think end of the today only we can know why today market also going down. Still, we are at 5 points, means near to 11K. I thought better to quit with at least 15K. See, let's see, we can wait because market still is going down. Since Nifty is more than 90 points is going down, and Sensex more than 380 points going down. Just 10 to 15 minutes back, at that time Nifty was at 60 points negative, Sensex was at near to 250 points negative. But as of Nifty is more than 90, Sensex is more near to 408. So better quit here, and still time also 11:30. That's what I am telling. Don't be greedy and don't expect too much in meanwhile. Instead of getting small profits, better to quit. Better to avoid the do trading up to end of the May at least. Not no need to end of the day. At least coming 10 days. Better to avoid the trading. If you have confidence on your analysis, then you can do. But with the small profits, better to quit. Yeah, still see here, still it is in 5 points. Yes. Still market is going raise. I think better. I also better to quit with 10K. Actually, my target is 15 points, but as of now 5 points. Sometimes quit with 5 points. We can't do anything, and sometimes it's happened. We have to accept it. Market every time market will give you the better, won't give you the better profit. Sometimes you have to accept the small profits also. Otherwise, you have to get losses. Yeah, I think better to. Yeah, okay, guys. I think market is going very low, even so better to quit with this 10K property at least. Otherwise, I need to um, loss of this 10K profit also. So I just want to close the market here, and I will be on WhatsApp in within half an hour. Otherwise, within 15 to 20 minutes, I'll be on a WhatsApp. And then anything needed, I just want to share you on the WhatsApp. I just want to scare off here because near to 11K I have. Actually, I just want to stay up to 230, but today market, even Sensex and Nifty is going very fall down. Okay, guys, I just want to close here, and I will be on WhatsApp in 5 minutes. Thank you so much. Uh, okay, see 11K. Let me wait. Okay, guys, I just want to square off here, and 1 second. Yeah, 12K reach 6 points. Okay, I will be on WhatsApp in 5 minutes. Thank you so much.